Welcome to the future of healthcare maintenance. Today, we explore the transformative power of computerized maintenance management systems, or CMMS, in healthcare. CMMS revolutionizes equipment maintenance, ensuring vital medical machinery operates at peak performance. By scheduling proactive maintenance, CMMS minimizes downtime, keeping patient care uninterrupted. Healthcare facilities are subject to strict regulations regarding equipment maintenance and safety standards. A CMMS ensures compliance by providing documentation of maintenance activities, scheduling inspections, and generating reports to demonstrate adherence to regulatory requirements. Efficient inventory management is crucial in the healthcare industry. CMMS tracks supplies, automates replenishment, and optimizes inventory levels, preventing shortages and reducing waste. Say goodbye to chaos. CMMS centralizes maintenance tasks, streamlining workflows for facility managers and technicians. Automated work order generation and tracking ensure tasks are completed promptly and efficiently. Knowledge is power. CMMS provides actionable insights through comprehensive reports and analytics. By analyzing equipment performance and maintenance costs, healthcare administrators make informed decisions, driving cost savings and operational efficiency. But the ultimate beneficiary is the patient. With CMMS, healthcare providers deliver seamless, high-quality care. Reliable equipment, regulatory compliance, and streamlined workflows ensure patients receive the attention they deserve. In conclusion, CMMS is not just a tool. It's a game-changer in the healthcare industry. Embrace the future, enhance efficiency, and prioritize patient care with CMMS. Contact us today to find out how DreamzCMMS can turn the tides for your healthcare facility with IoT, RFID, and artificial intelligence.